Start.
So, hi everyone. We are finally back with our final presentation on the topic of our project Smart City Traveler app under the subject Innovation and Entrepreneurship. So, I Abhishek Singh and my partner Harit Singh is going to present you our PPT. So, here we go. First, we pitch is our problem problem means problem statement, which is faced by tourists in a new city, unknown places which they miss due to lack of information, finding the best route, time management resulting in delayed bookings and sometimes missing them. So, or in elaboration, we can say to develop an Android application for smart city using which tourists can plan and schedule their trip according to their preferences, eventually making it hassle and chaos free and getting maximum satisfaction.
Now, for the solution, we are trying to help the new tourists with their tour to new cities, which include sorting the places according to their preferences and giving them the shortest distance and route from the live location of their present, and the scheduling the trip so that they can manage the time and can enjoy the trip peacefully and they do not miss any kind of bookings, or it's a hassle-free trip.
Now, the next point is unique selling proposition. It is basically giving the users to choose the place they want to visit based on their preferences, and time scheduling is the unique characteristic of our product. After that, uh, there is a system that can means the system which we are making can propose a sightseeing route and sightseeing plan that can guide uh, at that present time from the time which we are returning automatically. It will also search for places of interest around the location.
Now, for the competition and barrier to entry, the current solution is based on the reviews of other people that have visited the city before, but it doesn't provide the places that the individual want to visit based on their personal choice, which is provided in our solution. And we also provide the the features that are already present in the market, including the upper hand, which we are giving, like the uh, choice to choose the places that they want to go, shortest distance and routes, time management. These are the unique solution that we are providing, and practically the idea is new, but the code can be replicated. It is not impossible to replicate a code if you know the how the system works. So it is pretty basic in that term. But what gives us the upper hand in this, the customer satisfaction. We want our customers trip or our users trip to be a maximum value, so that we are trying to give them the maximum satisfaction that we can give them. Now that we crave for, and the originality of our product is a thing that only we can create, because we are honest to our idea, and we are trying to give our customer the 100% that we can give. And if we are talking about the competition sector in our product or our app, tourism sector is the competition, is the area that we belong to.
Now, the next point is revenue model. As you have seen our previous videos, or we can say assignments, we have mentioned about the revenue models in detail. In this also, we'll like to go in detail with what revenue model is. The usage of our app and the major attraction of the cities approaching us after our app gain popularity is going to be the major source of capital. Basically, it is a subscription model. Our top cash burn reasons can be a lack of tourism, bad service provided, bad reviews of user, which leads to a down rating the app.
Now for the target market, the the general size of the tourism is not exponentially large, but it does have numbers. Like it is a very money, it is kind of money pool in India. So we are trying to target the 2 to 3% tourists that come to visit Vadodara. We are choosing the city Vadodara as a trial basis of this app. Then we are going to make it to a big level. So for the trials, we are trying to make the Vadodara city as the base of our app. So we're trying to target the 2 to 3% tourists that come to Vadodara. And the channels that we are going to use are the digital advertisements using social medias and common entertainment platforms like news channels and YouTube, etc.
Now, our product and service. Having an assistance to every problem 24/7 adds a different relief in our mind, which we provide anywhere, anytime. You need, we provide is our motto.
Now, if we talk about the milestones, if we get funded in this financial year, we are trying to expand this app to whole Vadodara in a span of 2 years with every possible utilities that we are planning to give to the users. And in a span of 6 years, we are expecting to cover the major tourist cities in our country. If and it is so if our investment and response from the people is great, it is only possible then.
Funding so far. Now, the point is that this is the newly subject added to our syllabus. So we are not very much aware of how the funds are to be. So it is yet to be raised because we have not pitched our idea to the ideal investor. But for the estimation, we are expecting an investment of around 60,000 to make the prototype of the app.
Now for the team, I'm Harit Singh and my teammate is Abhishek Singh. We are both the founder of the Paryatak app. We have both strategically made this pitch and we are both have designed this app. So to the conclude our presentation or our pitch, we are trying to make an app to make the customers experience of a tourism to a new city great so that the tourism of our country can be increased, indirectly raising the country economy. Thank you.
Thank you.